Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Children, today we are going to learn exercise 1 from the chapter decimal numbers. In this exercise we are going to learn about the concept tenth. We are going to learn in this exercise fully about the concept tenth. Look at the Roman letter. Write each fraction as a decimal. Here the fractions are given. We are going to change the given fraction into a decimal. Children, when we have the denominator 10, it is very easy to change into the decimal. Here we have 10, and can you count how many zeros you have in the denominator? That means in 10, yes, we have 1 0. So, to change into a decimal, write down the given numerator. As we have 1 0, we have to place a dot, a digit before. Here we have only one digit. So, before the digit, you have to place the dot, and the whole number part you have to write 0. So, 0.2 is the decimal part of the given fraction 2 by 10. Look at the next question, 9 by 10. As we are learning the concept tenth, we have all the denominators 10. So, here also we have 1 0. Write down the given numerator, and a digit before you have to place the dot, and in the whole number part write 0, because in the numerator we have only one digit. So, in the whole number part we have to write 0. So, look at the next fraction, 7 by 10. Here also we have only one numerator. So, write down the numerator. As we have 1 0, we are going to place a dot before one digit and write 0 in the whole number part. There should be two parts. One is the whole number part and the another one is the decimal part, which separates by a dot. So, if there is no number, you just write 0 in the whole number part. Look at the next question, 5 2 by 10. Here 5 is a whole number and 2 by 10 is a fraction. So, first we are going to write down 2 by 10, the given fraction, into the decimal. So, 2 by 10 is 0.2. Children, here we have a whole number. So, instead of 0, we are going to write 5 in the whole number part and 0.2. So, the answer is 5.2. In these questions, we have only the fractions. So, in the whole number part, we wrote 0. But here the whole number is given. So, you have to write the given number in the whole number part. So, the answer is 5.2. Look at the next question, 12 5 by 10. Here 12 is the whole part and 5 by 10 is a fraction. So, first we will convert 5 by 10 into the decimal. What will you get? 5 by 10 is equal 0.5. So, write down the decimal part alone, 0.5, and in the whole number part we have to write 12. So, 12 5 by 10 is equals 12.5. Is this clear, children, how to write the given fraction into a decimal? You just write the given numerator of the fraction and place a dot before one digit. Look at the next Roman letter. Write the decimals in words. Words is nothing but the number name. We are going to write the number name for the given decimals. As you read, you have to write the number name. First, we have 0 in the whole number part. So, write down 0. Whatever you have, you just write the name of the number. 0. After the 0, we have a dot. We'll write it as point. 0 point. And in the decimal part, we have 2. So, TWO2 is the name. So, read the given decimal. It is 0.2. Listen children, you must write the name for the dot. That is a point. 0.2 is the given decimal. Here look at the next number 0. Z-E-R-O. 0 point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. And in the decimal part we have 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. So 0.7 is the given decimal. Look at the next question. 6.5. In the whole part, in the whole number part, we have a number 6. First write down the name. S-I-X. 6 point. And in the decimal part, we have 5. Let us write F-I-V-E. 5. So 6.5 is the next decimal number. Look at the next one. 19.3. Look at the whole number part. We have 2 digits. Whatever you have, you just write down the given name. That is 19. N-I-N-E. 19. Point. You must write the word point. 19 point. In the decimal we have 3. T-H-R-E-E. So the given decimal number is 19.3. So as you read, you have to write the number name. That means the word. Look at the next Roman letter. Color to show the decimal. Here a decimal is given and a picture also given. First we need to find out the fraction for the given decimal, because for the numerator we have to color the given shape. So here 0.2, we have a dot before a digit. So definitely the numerator will be 2 and the denominator will be 10. So here look at the given shape. It is divided into 10 equal parts, which is the denominator. And look at the numerator, it is 2. So you are going to color the given part for only 2. So let us shade 2 parts. You have to shade only 2 parts because the given fraction is 2 by 10. So you just shade only 2 parts. So this is what representation of the decimal 0.2. Look at the next decimal. It is 0.7. First let us write the fraction. 7 is the fraction. 7 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. Can you guess for how many parts we have to color in this picture? Yes, 7, because the numerator is 7. We are going to color for 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have shaded 7 parts out of 10. Because the given decimal is 0.7, we wrote the decimal into the fraction, that is 7 by 10. We have to color 7 parts out of 10. So we have done. Let us move to the next Roman letter. Fill in the place value chart. Here listen children, the decimals are given. We have to write the given decimal in their proper places. So before that, let us write the place value of these numbers. See, after the dot, the place value is 10th. Listen, after the place value, after the dot, the place value is 10th. And before the dot, it is ones and tens. So it is the normal place value for the whole numbers. We have to start from ones, tens, etc. And here after the dot, we have to start from tens because it's part of the whole. So here listen, in the first number 0.5, 0 is in ones place. So let us write 0 in the ones place. Dot, we have 5 in the 10th place. So write 5 in the 10th place. Look at the next number 2.8. So 2 is in ones place. So write below the ones column 2 point. And we have 8 in the 10th place. So 2.8. And the next question 15.6. Here 6 is in 10th place. Let us write below the 10th column point. Listen, here we have a 2-digit number in the whole number part. It is ones and tens. So in the ones place we have to write 5 and in the tens place write 1. Look at the next question. Here also we have 2 digits in the whole number part. Write 1 in the ones column, 3 in the tens column, dot, 4 is in 10th place. That means the 10th column. Is this clear, children? If a number is given, first you must write the place value of the given number, then write into the according place values. I hope the concept is clear, right? We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.